What the mic and about Cara, MVP. But who can prove I don't know. Really, I do. TARSCO follow it.
The fire service, immigration, they are all there trying to make sure that everything goes on very well. Yes, this is a simulation exercise, like I was saying. This is a simulation match. Don't panic at all. Don't panic at all. Simulation exercise. The readiness. Eric Donkey, you're also watching. Yeah. See this guy, Master Rene. Hey, Master Rene. Hey, Master Rene. He's in TARSCO. Hey, Yashawan.
Right, so we are at the TnA Stadium, Takwana Boston Sports Stadium. The testing mic, testing match. We are testing, there is a match to test the fitness of the stadium, and we call it a simulation exercise. So it is between TARSCO, Takwa Senior High School, and FIASEC Senior High School. And in the match, FIASEC Senior High School is leading by a goal. And you can see on the pitch the military.
There's an incident, you know. That's why they have put things together to arrange to see how security agencies are ready for this. That's a simulation match. Yeah. Thomas Kabanda, they are watching all the way from China. Yeah. The game has ended. The game has ended. What you do? No, let me tell you. What they are finished their work. Get the ITC and they are jogging back. The player to me is not in you. They're jogging back. They're jogging back. So they're jogging back. Request. If they get the ITC, they will register here. If they get the ITC, then they want. They will register here. So that's that. It's a game, isn't it? Yes. It's a...
Yeah, boy, 78 minutes. That's a minute in the market. The referee center referee will say,
why referee? I know to question here.
To question. I don't You have to protect the players. You have to protect the players. If the players are right side, we didn't get any winner. The referee didn't was a 90 minutes now. Because of higher in some of the see, they have to rush the players. They are safety. They have to go inside. Until they are not going to until they didn't get any winner. Our game win.
So we are currently at the TnA, Takwa Naboso Sports Stadium, and the match between TARSCO. Now the TnA, Takwa Naboso Sports Stadium, the very first ever football match to be played after this stadium is built and ready. It's between FIASEC Senior High School and then Takwa Senior High School. So all these secondary schools are in Takwa. These are the major secondary schools here in Takwa. They played a trial match or a testing match to test the fitness of the stadium to see. And in the match, FIASEC Senior High School won by a goal, but because of the simulation exercise, they intentionally wanted people or students to be throwing waters among themselves, assuming that they are fighting or something. That is what we call a simulation exercise. So we see the police rushing in, the military rushing in to ensure safety of the people here. So if in future occurrences, things of that nature happen, then we know what to do here at the Takwa Naboso Sports Stadium. So this is Ochechrenyi Apiaminsa. Today we are not teaching, today I'm at the stadium bringing you this historical moment here at the TnA Sports Stadium. So we want to get down to have a feel of how things are going, and then also go outside the stadium to see how the reaction of people, the overall reaction of people in and out of the stadium. So you see stadium inside here. In San Fom Kakanka, we are getting down. Now, the reaction of people inside and outside of the stadium. Those who couldn't come in, and the reaction of the students. So here are the FIASEC Senior High School So they are jubilating. FIASEC Senior High School players are really jubilating here in the changing room. So we are catching the excitement here. So officially, the Takwa Naboso Sports Stadium is officially tested and fit for actual commissioning for other matches to be held here. So this is a historic moment here in the Takwa Nswaye municipality. The stadium is tested and is fit. And joining this historic moment, we have FIASEC Senior High School and then Takwa Senior High School, they had a football match on the pitch or the stadium. So everything is successful here, and you can see the police in your shots, the immigration, the military, and it was a nice feel to be part of this historic moment. Sometime to come, a reference will be made to this very video. So you can see the prisons service. They are also here, and they are getting themselves closer to show some appreciation for the support each security agency played for this successful simulation exercise here in the TnA Sports Stadium. Takwa Senior High School students also jubilating, want to get closer to them to have a feel of how things are going there. So here are students from Takwa Senior High School jubilating, even though they were down by a goal, but they are still jubilating, being part of this historic history making here in the Takwa Saye municipality. It's something that calls for joy. One student from FIASEC Senior High School here. As you can see, he's very excited along his other colleagues. I want to know, please, what's your name?
Oh, I go by the name Bechi.
A bit louder.
Bechi Emmanuel.
Okay, Bechi Emmanuel. Bechi, being part of this history making here on the TnA Sports Stadium, and FIASEC Senior High School also scoring a goal, and TARSCO being down by 1. How does it make you feel?
Oh, I feel very, very, very happy. Why? Because we have been meeting about many times. So this was a place that they are now opening, and then we're able to score TARSCO. So I'm very, very, very happy.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Bechi. From the look of things, the students of FIASEC Senior High School are not leaving the stadium any soon. Simply because they've scored TARSCO. TARSCO is down by a goal, so they left so fast. But FIASEC Senior High School, they are still in the stadium, jubilating, showing the excitement here.